How to rate a HelloFresh recipe after cooking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you loved your HelloFresh meal and want to share your feedback, well, here is how to rate a recipe after cooking using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap My Menu or Past Meals to find the recipe you cooked. And there, you can just tap on the meal that you want to rate. And there, you can simply choose your star rating and write a quick review if you like. And here, once you're done with that, you simply have to tap Submit or Save to send your review, and after that your review will be sent, and that's it. That's how you can rate a HelloFresh recipe after cooking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.